Hey guys, Lokesh here and welcome to Mac Specialist. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to locally host WordPress on your Mac. So it's a very simple method and you can easily host WordPress on your Mac and Windows both. So first of all, we have to download three applications. The first is XAMPP, which is the open source software for web servers. The second is WordPress, which is the best CMS to create a website. So we are using WordPress. So you have to download latest version of WordPress, which is 4.7.5, and the last is the text editor, Sublime Text. You can also use the by default text editor of Mac. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for XAMPP. Yeah, the first result, apachefriends.org. This is the official website of XAMPP. I'm using Mac, so I'm gonna download this XAMPP for OS X, but it's a 5.6 version, but I'm not download that. So click on here to other versions, and yeah, it's for Windows, Linux, and last is OS X. So we are going to download 7.1.4 latest PHP, and it's 64-bit and 132 MBs. So you can download from here. So click on download. So it will automatically start downloading. It will take some time because it's a 133 MB file. I already have downloaded this file, so I'm not doing that again. Okay, now it's time to download WordPress. So search for wordpress.org and click on download WordPress, and it's a latest version 4.7.5. so click here, download WordPress 4.7.5 version. I have already downloaded this, so I'm not doing it again. And the last is Sublime Text. Search for Sublime Text Mac, and yeah, the first result, click on sublimetext.com and download OS X. Okay, the latest version is 3126. It's around 12 MB file. Okay, once you're done, move these three files to your desktop. You can see here. Yeah. Okay, so now open the XAMPP. It's verifying. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now it's installer. Double click on it. It will start installing. Okay, click open. Enter your credentials. It takes time, so it's running. Okay, setup wizard is open. Click next. Make sure you select both XAMPP co files and developer files and hit next. Okay, next. Please uncheck this. No need. Next. Okay, now next. It takes time to installing this XAMPP. Okay. You can close this file. You can find this whole tutorial on text version on my blog. So link I'm giving in my description box. All this link you will find on my description, so please check out the link. You can also find some interesting articles about product review and some WordPress and blogging tips on my blog. So you will find those links on my description box, so you can check out the link and read some interesting stuff on my blog. Okay, now it's done. Uncheck this launch XAMPP and click on finish. You will find XAMPP on your launchpad. This is XAMPP. You can drag to your launchpad here. Okay, now click on it. Enter your credentials. Okay, now XAMPP is open. It's a welcome page. Please select manage servers and make sure the MySQL database and Apache web server are running. Okay, so now both are stopped. So click on MySQL database and click start, and Apache web server, it's always running. No need to start this Pro FTP server. Okay, once both are running, minimize this window and open your web browser to check your XAMPP is properly installed on the system or not. So once your web browser is open, type localhost in small letter and hit enter. Okay, once you get this page, it means XAMPP is successfully installed on your system. So it will redirect to dashboard, XAMPP dashboard. Okay, now Now it's time to set up PHP My Admin page. Please do not close this window, manage your OS X. And now we are going to set up our database. So click here, database, and enter the name. I'm giving WordPress and collision, and click here, create. So as you can see here, WordPress is our database and it is created. There is no table found. It's okay. And now it's time to download. I'm sorry, we already downloaded. So now double click on it, so it will extract. We have to configure this WordPress. Double click on it and you will find WP config sample file. So now you can open it to your text editor. I'm using Sublime, so double click on it. Okay, now scroll down and you will find this three: define DB name, database name here, username here, and password here. So you have to change these settings. So first is database name here. So remove it. First of all, remove it and enter your database name. I enter WordPress because WordPress is my database. So enter WordPress. Username, by default username. You don't need to set the password. Please leave it blank. And once you're done, you have to save as this file. Please do not save this file. Click save as, and change the name to WP config. Please remove sample and save this file to WordPress folder. So the name is WordPress-config.php. You have to remove sample. Okay, once you're done, click save. You can see in our WordPress folder we have WP config sample and WP config. Both files are remaining here. So now we have to move this file to our XAMPP. So it means we are going to install WordPress on XAMPP. So click on the applications and search for XAMPP. You will find at the last application. Move this WordPress folder to htdocs. Please do not move here because it's a shortcut file. So click XAMPP files and you will find here htdocs, and move this WordPress to htdocs. Okay, once you're done, you can close this Sublime text and again open your web browser and search for localhost dash, enter your database name. My database is WordPress, so I'm writing WordPress and hit enter. Okay, once you get this page, welcome page, it means WordPress is successfully installed on your XAMPP. So now you have to configure this WordPress. Please enter your site title, whatever you like. I'm giving it a test. Username is root. You can also define your password. Confirm to week and enter your email like admin.com, whatever. Install WordPress. It takes time. Okay, now we have one error, but don't worry. Our username is root and password we have decided. Click login. Okay, now login. Enter your username and password and login. Okay, now we are at our backend of our website. You can visit from here. Click here, click visit website to see your website, and it's our website, test website. So now you can customize your site from here. You can download plugins, add new and theme, and go to the appearance, and you can also change the theme. There are lots of different themes on WordPress. Click add new to get more. It's a featured themes. Click on popular to get popular themes. Okay, so in this way you can locally host WordPress on your Mac. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thumbs if you like and share if you love. Leave your thoughts below because I love to hear from you. And if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, then you can ask me in comments. I hope you guys like this video and see you in the next one.